How to log out of Shopee account. So if you want to log out of your Shopee account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Shopee, and then go for the first search, which is shopee.com, and here it will take you to the website. So you can simply scroll down and choose your language. So I'll be choosing, and after choosing your language, now you can go for login, which is on the upper right, and make sure to log into your account. So I'll be logging in with my Google, and once you've logged in, now to log out of your account, what you can do is go for the upper right corner, which has your profile option. You can simply go for your profile, and here on the last option you will have log out. So you can simply click on that log out and you will be logged out of your account. So it was that easy to log out of your Shopee, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.